Here is lesson 30 for clarinet. We will be playing numbers 71 and 73. Okay, let's talk about a couple things where we play 71. First thing is, you should have already noticed we're playing in 3/4. So we only count up to 3. Why is it so important that we count up to 3 instead of counting up to 4 when we play 3/4? Because if you did that, this is what you would play at the beginning. Okay? Everything would sound the same because you'd give everything 2 beats. Because after you play the first half note, that's 2 beats. Then that quarter is another beat, but if you count to 4, you got to add a beat on somewhere. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so make sure you count it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, make sure you only count to 3. Next is the dynamics. Make sure your fortes are loud with a good tone. Make sure your pianos are very, very quiet with a good tone. Okay, let us play number 71. 1, ready. Alright, again, you'll notice I didn't breathe on that second breath mark because I didn't need to. Okay, I did on the first one because I didn't take a good first breath. Same goes for you. If you can pass a breath mark and breathe later on in the music, do so. The less we can breathe during music, the more connected it will sound, which is what we're shooting for. Okay? When you play those last 4 measures, they're all C's, they're all forte. Did your volume stay the same the whole time? Or did you do this? Did your air die the longer you played? It takes a lot of focus, a lot of energy to keep that air going steady the whole time. Okay, so make sure your air is very steady, very fast, and you're pushing it through the whole time. Okay? Alright. Our code word for this lesson is dynamics. Okay? You can see dynamics at the top right-hand corner of this page. So there is your code word. Okay, now let's play 71 one more time, and we're going to do 2 things different. First, we're going to play a little bit faster. The second thing is, we're going to play at different times. So here's how this is going to work. First, we're just going to play it together, faster. Okay? And then I want you to rewind, and when I'm playing it, you can go to the slower or faster version for that matter. When I reach number 2, which is on measure 5, that's when I want you to start at the beginning. That's what's called a round. It's when multiple people are playing the same piece at different times. So when I hit measure 5, you're going to start on measure 1. We'll have some nice harmony as we do that. Okay, so first thing, let's play it faster. And ready? Here's your tempo. Boom, boom, boom. And 1, ready? Now go ahead and review it, or rewind it, and pick a spot to start. Okay, whether I'm going faster or slower. When I play and I get to number 2, which is where that piano is, it's measure 5, you start at measure 1 and just listen to the harmonies. Okay? Alright, let's look at 73. This is another good number for dynamics. Okay? The big goal is to make sure you do a big change with dynamics. Because a lot of people will do this. Hear how I'm changing dynamics not at the right time? It has to be immediate. Whenever you have a dynamic written, that's where it has to change. Make sense? All right, let's play it. Number 73. We're going to play it a little bit slower than what I just did, okay? We're going to play about right here. Here we go. 1. Ready. All right, did you keep up with me? Did you play it all correctly? If you didn't, that's okay. Go back and rewind it, review it, and do it again. Okay? Just remember, this is 3-4, so you're not counting up to 4. Okay? All right, this was lesson 30. Thank you for joining me.